All right, proving identities number 46. What are some of the tips here? Some of the tips would be to perform indicated operations. We could also multiply by the conjugate of this to get a 1 minus sign squared to turn that into a cos. We could do both. I don't know. Tan is what? Sine over cos, right? So if we did sine over cos and then got a common denominator, we could add these two and see what goes there. So cos, common denominator. I don't know. I would tend to see this and go, let's do 1 minus sine theta. 1 minus sine theta. I would like to try that first probably. Because obviously the right hand side is the more complicated side. So if we do tan theta plus, okay, so I'm going to leave this as cos theta times 1 minus sine theta, just in case there's something that I can divide out or simplify, right, which I will be able to, because this is going to be 1 minus sine squared theta when I multiply this together. All right, I'm going to probably have to combine these terms because I only have one term over on this side. So I'm going to write this as sine theta over cos theta. And then, okay, so then here, this is going to be cos theta times 1 minus sine theta. And this is an identity, so that's going to be cos squared theta. Oh, which is going to be awesome because now this cos is going to go with this, with one of those coses down there, and I have a common denominator. So now I can add them to get the one term. It's pretty easy now. So now I have sine theta plus 1 minus sine theta on top over cos theta. And then this, when I simplify sine theta minus sine theta, I'm left with 1 over cos theta, which of course is secant theta. And I am done. Let's see if I can get that on the screen for you. Okay. Does that help? So that's very similar to the one you're asking about there. So very similar to 45. So conjugate multiplied by the conjugate, if you have like a 1 plus sine or a 1 plus cos or 1 minus cos or something like that, multiply by conjugate to get a difference of squares because that's an identity there. And then you have one term on the left versus two terms on the right, so you're going to have to combine those together. Go at it that way. All right?